Okay, open. Hi.
Hi, welcome to 17.
Thanks. So today we're going to view this house. It's a 1095 square feet 3-bedroom apartment in 17 residents. Yeah, so when you come in, you have the living room in front of us. Yeah, so let's have a look at the balcony. Okay, here you got a sofa, coffee table, right? TV cabinet. Yeah, and then when you walk straight, you have this balcony view. It's a very nice and quiet, peaceful view of the facilities. You can see the swimming pool on the left. Yeah, this is the garden playground, and then you have section 17 SS2 and the evening sun on the right side. All right. Okay, so let's look at the view from in front of us, and that side is the East KL. Okay, so let's go. We have a wall light. Yeah. So now behind you have a shoe rack down here. Okay, then you have this whole kitchen cabinet. Yeah, and a 4-seater dining table. Yeah, okay. So you got a fridge. Everything here is brand new. Huh? All right. And then this is the kitchen. Has an induction cooker, microwave, and also a kettle. Okay. And then when we go behind, we have a washing machine, also brand new, have not been used before. Don't worry, it's very clean. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now let's go and look at the rooms. Yeah. Okay, so on the right hand side here is the second bedroom. Yeah, comes with simple curtains, single bed with a mattress, side table, and also a wardrobe. All right. Yeah, has an aircon, fan and lights. Okay, and then in front of us here, we have the common bathroom. Has a shower, okay, WC, sink, and also the mirror. Okay, so now on the left side, we have the third room. Same thing. Have a single bed, side table, 2 curtains, light and fans. Okay. Yeah, a wardrobe and also an aircon. Okay, so the final piece here is the master bedroom. When you come in, you turn right, it's the master bedroom. Yeah, it has a view of the swimming pool. Yeah, okay, 4 curtains. This part here there's a blind because there's an extra window. Okay, the fan. This is a queen size bed with a mattress. Yeah, 1 pillow and also a side table. Aircon, you have a full height built-in wardrobe times 2. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's go and look at the toilet now. Okay. WC. Yeah. Then here you have the mirror. Have a shower screen and also a rain shower. Yeah, there is a water heater that is built in the ceiling already. Okay, come. So let's go and let's go back to the living room. Okay, I'll walk first. Okay, yeah, let's look at the view from the master bedroom. Same thing. You have a playground. Yeah, SS2 view, and then on the right side you can see swimming pool. So at the night time, 8 p.m. it can be very orange. Yeah, because when it's dark, all the lights comes out. Okay, so I hope the video has been very good and explained the house.
If you'd like to view this place or have any inquiries, feel free to call us. I'm Noelle Chu and that's Jordan Tan. Thank you for watching.